Hello, today I'm unleashing a new initiative I'm calling SmartTip, and this is kind of a child of my old initiative which I used to call Spec Zone, and I had Spec Tips, and Spec used to stand for Strictly Productive and Efficient Computing. Now I'm running the new ITI community called Smart Tech, and so the tips are going to be Smart Tips. And the idea is to have something short, something useful, and something that you can consume easily and understand easily, things like that. So maximum time that these videos are going to be, these tips are going to be 5 minutes. Most of them are going to be really short, maybe 1-2 minutes long, but some a little more elaborate ones are going to be up to 5, but definitely no longer than 5 minutes. So look out for smart tips, and if you have any questions, always feel free to drop them below. And until next time, I'm Oleg.